In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and replace data. This is a quick, reliable way to clean up entries, fix typos, and standardize values across your spreadsheet without manually clicking into every cell. I'll walk you through each option so you can work confidently and avoid accidental changes. Start by opening your spreadsheet, then go to the Edit menu and choose Find and Replace. This opens a small window or sidebar where all the work happens. In the Find field, type the exact word, number, or phrase you want to locate. Think about how it appears in your data. Spelling, spacing, and punctuation matter, so the tool can catch every correct match. Next, move to the Replace field and enter what you want to use instead. This is the new value that will take the place of whatever you're finding. Be precise here as well. If you're standardizing abbreviations, matching capitalization, or updating a code, use the exact format you intend to keep going forward. Now choose where the tool should search. You can apply the change to all sheets in your file, only the current sheet, or a specific range. All sheets is great when you know the same issue appears across multiple tabs. This sheet keeps the scope safer if you only want to alter what you're viewing. If you need to be very targeted, say just a column or a small block of cells, select a specific range so the change stays contained. You'll also see a few checkboxes that help refine the search. Use them to suit your needs. For example, match case distinguishes between uppercase and lowercase, which is perfect when ID should not become ID. Match entire cell contents ensures only cells that exactly equal your search term are changed, avoiding partial matches inside longer text. Some tools also let you search within formulas or use special patterns for advanced scenarios. Enable those only if you know you need them. When you're ready, use the action buttons. Click Find to jump to the next match and preview it before changing anything. Click Replace to update just the match you're currently viewing, then move to the next one. And if you're confident that every match should change, choose Replace All to update everything in one go. Replace All is powerful, so double check your scope and options first. That's it. By setting your find term, your replace value, the search scope, and the right checkboxes, you can clean your data quickly and accurately with just a few clicks.